Welcome back to another video. Today we got a US General, basically a toolbox series 2 email from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. Yeah, I do apologize. I'm a little sick from my throat, so just bear with me on this video. You got the 5 new colors, 30-inch 4-drawer tech carts. That says 580 weight capacity, 12,600 cubic inch storage capacity. Yeah, I do have a 5-drawer cart. I gotta say, that thing's been super good. It's the metal is not the thinnest, it's not the thickest, so it's not it's not really super high quality, but it is really good quality. For a shop, an auto mechanic, somebody that's in the professional field, these cards are great. Any Series 2 cards, box, anything that's a US General, it's very decent for the money. So anyways, you got the 4 drawers now in all colors. You got the black, blue, green, red, orange, and yellow. Pretty much it says side trays available, sold separately. So obviously these are the side trays. If you guys feel free to copy or take a picture on the computer or a screenshot on the phone. All these coupons are available to you. You got 4-drawer mechanic carts, $149.99, so that is the price for any of these carts. Your choice. It says 4-drawer tech carts, folding side trays. Got all the colors there for all the side trays for these carts. $19.99. It says plus with super coupons, 20-volt lithium cordless extreme torque, half-inch impact kit. This is Earthquake XT, so it's one of the better brands. $229.99. You got the 9,000-pound winch, $259.99, and then you got the 2,000, 4,000 max peak power inverter, $129.99. You got the 5mm powder free nitro gloves, pack of 100, $4.99. Not a bad glove. This is mostly for cleaning or lighter work, lighter duty use. Not your mechanic. If you want gonna go doing some brake jobs and oil changes, definitely would go with 7mm or higher or thicker. Variable speed, multifunction power, $224.99. 6-gallon, 150 psi, oil-free air compressor, $99.99. You got a 210, 40, and 200 amp, 12 volts automatic battery charger with engine jump start, $109.99. So it's a nice bigger unit there. 40-volt lithium cordless brushless blower, $129.99. 7 by 4 feet, or my bad, 7 by 9 feet, all-purpose Willer's tarp, $299. You got the wrenches or the torque wrenches. Definitely recommend these torque wrenches for you guys. I do have one. Seems to be pretty decent quality. I wouldn't trust it with the rebuilding an engine or doing all kinds of critical torque. If you're gonna be just mounting a tire, these are great. Obviously you're not gonna, your engine's not gonna die because you went up a little bit or one less or one up above. 225 mechanics toolkit, $99.99. Now I'm not really a fan of these. I really like to, if you're, this is not for everybody obviously. Me personally, I like to pick my own tools, so I like to buy my own set of pliers, my own set of sockets. However, this is not bad if you just want one kit that has everything already in there. That's not bad for you. Got the 10 amp deep cut variable speed bandsaw for $99.99. Got the blue design on darkening welding helmet, $39.99. 2-ton capacity folded shop crane, $189.99. You got the 4.5 heavy duty angle grinder. These angle grinders are pretty decent. For me personally, if you're gonna buy a cheap angle grinder, I would just go with the cheapest one they have, and that way you could just buy a whole lot of them and have a different wheel on each one. The $9 one, the $9.99 one, that's always a good one to get. $16.99 for this one though. You got the 845 lumens under hood rechargeable work light. $29.99. I do have this. I do have the video on my channel if you guys want to check it out. All you have to do is just put 845 lumen on the hood. 2-head 147 swivel TV wall mounts. Under $10. Got foldable sawhorse, $8.99. Got a 20-ton air hydraulic bottle jack, $89.99. 18-volt, 3/8 cordless. Yeah, this is your really basic drill, guys. Don't expect this to do a lot of things that a $100 drill will do, or the Hercules or Bauer. Definitely are better drills than this. This is just your really basic drill. Really small hole or a screw. That's it. A 3/8 by 50 feet industrial grade rubber air hose, $18.99. I do recommend these air hoses for you guys, especially these black ones. These are great. Anyways, I thought I'd share this with you guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.